Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to show you how to do these Halloween nails. So I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go. The first color we're going to start out with is Madame Glam Shadows. This is from their October launch. I will leave a link to swatches of this collection in the description box down below. But this one is a really pretty, darker, plummy, gray type of a purple. Really pretty. I love this one. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my pinky and my pointer finger.
Perfect.
Then we're going to go in with Madame Glam's Abundance. This was from their September collection. I'll leave a link to swatches of that collection as well. This is like a light taupey gray shade. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my middle finger. Then we're going to use Madame Glam's Magnetic, which is again from their September collection. This is a brighter medium orange shade. So I'm going to go ahead and paint this on my ring finger as well as my thumb. We're going to go ahead and do a second coat of all of these colors. Next, we're going to go in with Elegance's Black Magic, which was a limited edition release 2 years ago, I think. It is this beautiful Halloween glitter. It has a clear base, but there are black glitters in it mixed with different shades of glitter. So you got some orange, some purple, some green. It is just a really pretty Halloween glitter. So of course I had to use this. I hadn't used this yet this year, and so I had to pull it out. So I'm going to go ahead and paint a thin coat of this over the shadows color, which was the purple. So I'm doing a thin coat because I still want to see that purple through it, but I want that glitter on top. Now we're going to go in with some stamping. I'll be using this stamping plate from amysnailadd. This is M408. And then for stamping polishes, I will use Batty, which is a metallic gray. Charming, which is this brighter purple shade. And then we have Trickster, which is this bright oozy green shade. I'm also going to use this red from amysnailadd. It didn't have a label on it. I'm not sure which one this is. I have Bam White, which is just their original white shade. And then I did pull one from Clear Jelly. It is an orange, just because I didn't have an orange from amysnailadd. But the stamping plate, along with the purple and green stamping polish, was from the Box of Magic, which was their 13-day countdown box for Halloween. So I'll leave a link to that video. And then the metallic gray Batty was from their Deja Vu bundle, which I have a video of that as well. So as of recording this voiceover, the Box of Magic is off the website, but they still have in stock the Deja Vu bundle. So definitely pick that up while you can, because they probably will pull it off the website soon. We're going to go ahead and do some layered stamping today. So using the Batty shade, I'm going to pick up this larger scattered pumpkin image. And we're going to fill in some of the pumpkins with different colors. So I have some filled in with purple, some with green, some with red. And then we're going to set that off to the side, let that dry a little bit before we stamp it on. So I'm going to use a different stamper head. I actually have 2 Halloween stampers from them. They're so cute. So I'm going to use that same charcoal gray base. I'm going to pick up this jack-o'-lantern guy. He's like a full guy, like a clown, but he has a jack-o'-lantern head. So we're going to pick that up and we're going to color him in as well. We're going to use that orange for his head. We're going to use purple for the shirt, green for the bottoms, and then he's juggling some skulls. So I'm going to fill those in with white and do his little shoe there as well. Now I'm going to take the sticky base coat from amysnailadd. I'm going to paint this on my ring finger, my middle finger, and my thumb. So all of the nails I'm stamping on. And I actually learned what this was recently. So when I was doing my other hand and I was trying to transfer that stamp over, it had been sitting too long. It had a hard time transferring to the nail. So that is exactly what the sticky base coat is. So you apply a thin layer of the sticky base coat to your nail. You wait about 30 to 45 seconds, and that basically adds a tacky layer that you can now use the dried stamp to stamp onto the nail, and it transfers flawlessly. This is such a genius invention. I had gotten it in a kit, didn't know how to use it, figured out how to use it. So I go ahead and transfer the pumpkin image as well as the jack-o'-lantern clown image, and then I go back in, repeat the same process for the scattered pumpkin design because I'm going to do the same image on my thumb. And I do want to note that you don't want to let the sticky base dry too much. You want it in that like 30-second to 1-minute window, because I did let it sit on my thumb and I didn't have the stamp ready, and then it kind of lost its stickiness, so then I had trouble stamping that as well. So definitely do the sticky base coat when you're ready to stamp it down. Now I'm going to top coat the nails. I'll be using my light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here's how my nails came out. I feel like they're a good just Halloween set. We got the purple, the orange, the pumpkins. And I just thought this pumpkin guy was super cute. He's kind of creepy, but he's also kind of cute at the same time. So I just really wanted to use him. And I just kind of pulled together everything from the kits that I had from amysnailadd, as well as some colors from like Elegance and Madame Glam. Just pulled through all of my Halloween items to create this nail set. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments down below what you think of this set, as well as let me know what you're wearing for Halloween on your nails. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!